Hey guys, welcome back. This is part 3. You are given a sequence 1, 4, 7, 10 and 13. You are then asked to give terms 6 and 7. Okay? We know this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4 and term 5. Okay? So you need to give the next and the next term. Okay? Let's just name them as well, T6 and T7. Now, I'm doing this because I do know what the answer would be. 1 times 4 would give me 4, but 4 times 4 won't give me 7, so it's not that. 1 plus 3 would give me 4, yes, 4 plus 3 would give me 7, 7 plus 3 would give me 10. So we add 3 each time. Okay? Which means term 6 would be 13 plus 3, which is 16. Okay? And term 7 would be term 16 plus 3. So it would be 19. Okay. The next question is to get the nth term. Okay. That means a formula. Okay. You have to remember this formula. Okay. Otherwise you won't be able to answer this question. T of n equals an plus c. Okay. Now, a. Okay, I'll write this in another color. A equals that just does not want to work. A is equal to the difference each time. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay? So you can go and write this. T of n equals 3n plus C. Okay. Now, let's go and determine the first. Okay. The first term is 1. Okay. So, you can go and do this. We know that the term 1, okay, equals 3, 1 plus C. But term 1 is equal to 1, so we can just substitute that as this. Okay, you throw, okay, let's do it simple wise. I'll just continue here. Okay, 3 times 1 gives me 3 plus C. Let's throw the 3 to the left side, so it becomes minus 3 equals C. So minus 2 equals C. Once again, so there's no confusion. How did I get here? I know the first term, okay, is equal to 1. So I'm saying the first term, so I substitute n with an n, so it becomes a 1. Then I know T1 is equal to 1, so I just put a 1 there. And then you can solve for C. Okay, so C is minus 2. Okay, then you can do this. T of n equals 3n minus 2. And there you have your nth term. Okay, now let's look at this and then we have to decide what type of pattern it is. Once again, I'm going to say it again. Write down the first 3 terms. I know I have to add 3. Which means this is an arithmetic pattern. Okay, next one. the next one is 5, 15, 45, 135, and 405. Okay. Once again, just looking at this, okay, 5 plus 10 gives me 15, and 15 plus 10 does not give me 45. 5 times 3 gives me 15, yes. 15 times 3 gives me 45, yes. Okay, cool. So, times 3 times 3. 5 times 3, 15, 15 times 3, 45, yes, cool. Okay, we got that now. Now, the question is that we have to get the 6th or the 7th term of this pattern. Okay, we know this is term 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know this is term 5. Okay, now we need to get term 6 and term 7. Okay, term 6 is obviously the previous one times 3. Okay, so term 6 would be 405 times 3. Okay, and that would probably be for a 12,200 plus 15, which must be 1215 if I am correct. Yes, 1215. Now, term 7 must be the previous one, which is 1215 times 3, okay, which is 3,600 and 45. I hope. Yes. Cool. So now we have to determine what this is. What type of pattern is this? Once again, I'll write down the first 3. I know that I have to multiply each one by 3. Therefore, it must be geometrical pattern. Good. So yeah, cool guys, see you in the next video. Hope this helped.